welcome to my YouTube channel Kinda Networks. Today I want us to learn on how to add queues in a MikroTik router. So I have my router RB951 UI-2HND, and you have to have the Winbox installed in your computer or laptop to be able to log in into your MikroTik router. So already I've logged into my MikroTik router. So basically what you do, I'll basically show you how to add queues. Basically, in other terms, is how to manage the bandwidth a particular client or a user is assigned. So basically, first of all, we'll go to tools. We go to IP scan. I scan my network to see the devices connected and the IP address assigned. So you go to IP scan. On interface, you select bridge. Bridge is where all my other devices are connected to. Then I click on start. Yeah, it's running. The IP scan is running. It's now bringing all the IP addresses, all the devices assigned, the MAC address and the IP address assigned to these particular devices. So basically I'll select a client like 192.168.88.22 and show you how to assign the particular device given bandwidth. So we go to queues. Already I'd assigned this, so we can remove this. Then you click on the, after queues you go to simple queues, then you click on the add sign there. Then we can name this client as test 1. We put the IP address there, 192.168.88.22. Destination we put like this. Then we go here with it on the target upload. We give him like 1 MB, and the target download again we give it like 1 MB. The burst time, the burst limit, those ones we can leave them like that. Then we apply like this. So we've already created this test 1. Upload max limit, we have given him 1 M. The download max limit is 1. Then you can see the traffic here, the upload and the download. So when this particular client is maxing, we should be able to see this. It's now green, but it should be red. Okay, we can also create another one. We go back to tools, IP scan. We see as another user, let's say 88.50, go back to queues, then we add, then we put the IP address here, 192.168.88.50, destination, put like this. Then we give him 1. Here we also give him 1 on the download. Then we apply, then OK. Then here you can see the traffic here. So this particular client is not using more than 1. If he or she was using more than 1, this light will have gone to red. Can I try another, the last client? We go to tools, we go to IP scan, we try 88.47, we add it on the queue, like this, 192.168.88.47. Then we go to, we give him 1. Download, we give him 1 MB. Then we apply, then we OK. Then we come here, see the traffic still way below 1. So this is how we add queues we assign particular band, we set bandwidth for particular users in the MikroTik router. So another thing we can also learn is how to upgrade. Like now, before you go to upgrade, you can see this one is lighting or red. It means this particular client is actually is maxing on the set bandwidth. That's why the light goes from green to red. So these you can remove them now. Then under tools, we can also learn how to ping a particular IP address. So if I go to tools, then IP scan, these are all the IP addresses assigned to different devices from a MikroTik router. If I go to tools again, then I try to ping just a random IP address, 192.168.88.88. On the interface I select bridge, then I start to ping. It's timing out. So this IP address has not been assigned to any device from my router. That's why it's timing out. If I change, I stop here and I change, put another IP address that is I know is assigned, like 22. Then I start. See now this one is replying with 1 or 0 milliseconds. So this is how you do ping from your MikroTik router. Then we can also learn something on wireless, on changing SSID, the name of your wireless network, and changing the password. So first of all, you go to interface, then WLAN1, you double click on it, then you go to wireless here, you'll find SSID. You can change the name and put a new name and you apply. You can actually also change the frequency and select maybe if you have several access points around there and there's you suspect some interference, you can actually change the frequency here and apply. So that one is okay. If we need to change the password, we'll go to wireless, then under wireless you go to, on top here you go to security profiles, then you double click, you see the password is here, WPA pre-shared key. This is where you put the new one that you want and you apply. If you need to hide it, you'll go to settings up here, settings, you go to settings, then you hide password. That's where you hide. If you find that it's hidden, you want to confirm maybe your password, you just go to settings up here and you unhide it. You'll see your password there and you apply. If you need to upgrade the firmware of your router, you'll go to system, then you go to packages, then you actually check for updates. It will show you, like mine, my installed version is 6.49.18 and it's saying down here that there's a new version that is available. You basically, you can download like this. After it's already downloaded, it will tell you you need to reboot the router to upgrade it. You have to reboot it to upgrade it. So that's it. We've learned today about adding queues, changing the SSID, changing the password, upgrading your MikroTik router, and also under tools we've learned on how to ping and to do IP scan. Thank you very much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel Kinder Networks, I kindly request you to do so. Until we meet again next time, thank you.